Bullish Kasama, KSM, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $193.46 and $421.32 by 2030. Market examiners accept KSM could reach $193.46 by 2025. Bearish Kasama market cost expectation for 2022 is $34.39. Kasama, KSM, presentation. Polkadot's rendition representing things to come. Kasama is a canary organization for Polkadot. Kasama is a testnet that permits designers to explore different avenues regarding new elements and changes prior to carrying out on Polkadot. Kasama will have each of similar redesigns as Polkadot, just sooner. This incorporates alterations or augmentations to the codebase, conventions, and administration instruments. Kasama is based on Substrate, a blockchain building unit created by Equality Innovations. Since Kasama has practically the equivalent codebase as Polkadot, it will actually want to encounter any issues that could emerge from new updates before Polkadot does. Along these lines, any potential blemishes can be recognized and fixed before they cause significant interruptions on Polkadot. The group behind the venture is centered around building a powerful environment of utilizations and administrations. The drawn-out objective is to make a decentralized web that gives clients command over their information and protection. What makes Kasama extraordinary? Kasama is intended for designers who need to send off aggressive undertakings with a quick developing speed of improvement. What makes Kasama one of a kind is its emphasis on giving engineers the instruments they need to succeed. This incorporates highlights, for example, a simple-to-utilize programming language, brilliant agreement usefulness, and backing for cross-chain connections. What's more, Kasama likewise has major areas of strength for Innov lovers and engineers who are committed to helping other people succeed. What recognizes Kasama from other blockchains is its multi-chain, heterogeneously sharded plan. Instead of utilizing the evidence of work agreement instrument, which is energy escalated, Kasama utilizes a named proof-of-stake framework. This permits it to be more proficient and adaptable than other blockchains. One of the interesting elements of Kasama is its on-chain upgradability. This implies that the organization can be redesigned without requiring a hard fork, making it a lot simpler to test new highlights and updates. Furthermore, Kasama upholds cross-chain message passing, XCMP, which permits correspondence with other parachains on the organization. This makes it an ideal stage for designers exploring different avenues regarding Polkadot's different highlights. One more benefit of Kasama is that it is controlled by spots, which are the local money of Polkadot. This gives extra security to clients as specs have been tried on the mainnet. Also, specs give clients admittance to Polkadot's elements, including marking, casting a ballot, and administration. In general, Kasama gives an extraordinary open door to designers and early adopters to try different things with Polkadot's different elements in a free from any potential harm climate. Kasama, KSM, Specialized Investigation. The Kasama network is a decentralized stage that empowers clients to fabricate and run versatile, strong, and interoperable blockchain applications. It is based on the Polkadot handoff chain innovation and utilizations parachains for versatility. Furthermore, it additionally utilizes parachains for adaptability. These three parts make Kasama perhaps of the most remarkable stage accessible today. While numerous blockchains battle with issues, for example, adaptability and interoperability, Kasama has been planned starting from the earliest stage to address these difficulties. The task raised more than $140 million, selling 10 million KSM tokens in only a couple of hours. The broker's buy pattern carried it to $65 toward the finish of 2020. Kasama's effective eco shows a colossal interest for versatile and interoperable blockchain stages like Kasama blockchain. With its imaginative plan, Kasama is strategically situated to turn into the main stage here. The coin was made by the group behind the well-known cryptographic money, Polkadot. The Kasama coin is special in that it offers a way for clients to try out groundbreaking thoughts and undertakings on a Polkadot-like organization without stressing over the soundness of the mainnet. The cost of the Kasama coin has seen a critical flood in energy starting from the start of this current year. This cost change has made numerous financial backers pay heed to the task and its true capacity. Kasama, KSM, current cost. Kasama is as of now worth $42.99. KSM has moved 1.23% as of now with an exchanging volume of $18,862,614. Kasama is as of now positioned 93 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $366,601,652. Kasama, KSM, Value Forecast 2022. Kasama, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. KSM. The KSM cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $64.49. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $60.19 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. KSM is supposed to have a base worth of $51.59. Kasama, KSM, Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Kasama KSM cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of KSM will before long outperform $107.48. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the KSM's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, KSM will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $85.98 and a typical exchanging cost of $94.58. Kasama, KSM, Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $150.47 and KSM might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. KSM is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $137.57 and a low of $128.97 in 2024. Kasama, KSM, Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Kasama effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the KSM coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, KSM will be green in 2025. The KSM is supposed to reach and outperform its record